During 0 hour, South Shillong BJP legislator Sanbor Shullai raised a notice regarding the local mining of sand, stones and other minerals for business purposes. In response, Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong clarified that current laws do not allow for the exemption of any traditional mining practices for minor minerals from the Meghalaya Minor Minerals Concession Rules 2016 or the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation MMDR Act 1957.
In exercise of powers conferred under Section 15 of the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act 1957, Central Act No. 67 of 1957, the Meghalaya Minor Minerals Concession Rules 2016 were notified by the state government. The need for notifying these rules arose on account of the judgment and order of the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya dated 30/6/2015 of WP/C number 140 of 2014 titled Tangkham M. Sangma versus State of Meghalaya and orders prohibiting all mining activities unless the following have been complied. 1. Consultation with the CEC, Centrally Empowered Committee. 2. Drawing a comprehensive scheme for restoration of environment damage on account of mining. 3. Creating a fund for reclamation of environment in the interest of sustainable development and intergenerational equity, and for the purpose of rectifying the damage caused to the forest and environment. When the judgment in the aforesaid case was sought to be reviewed by certain aggrieved individuals on the premise that for several generations the forefathers of petitioners have been carrying out quarrying of limestone and other stones on small scale in the Khasi and Jati district of Meghalaya, and that stone quarrying has been livelihood of their families for generations, and that the land tenure system in Khasi's district of Meghalaya is totally unique, where the land has, as well as the minerals underneath, belong to the landowners. The Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, however, disposed of the review petitions through the judgment dated 14/10/2015, delivered by a 3-judge bench in review petition number 11/2015 in Baliosware Orders versus Tangkham M. Sangma, declining to modify their order except clarifying that instead of securing clearance from the CEC, the applicants for mining lease would need to obtain clearance from the statutory agency which is in place currently, that is the State Level Environment Impact Assessment Authority, which has been notified under the provisions of Environmental Impact Assessment Notification 2006, as amended from time to time, which have been issued under the provision of the Environment Protection Act 1986. In view of complete embargo placed on any form of mining of minor minerals in a state without due process of law by the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, in the aforesaid ruling, the state government, driven by the intent to open the avenue for mining the minor minerals in accordance with the applicable statutes, notified the Meghalaya Mineral Minor Concession Rules 2016 in exercise of powers conferred on it under Section 15 of Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act 1957. Because no exemption is provided under the provisions of Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act 1957 for traditional small-scale mining from the ambit of the Act, therefore the Meghalaya Minor Minerals Concession Rules 2016 also could not provide any exemption clause in respect of either traditional mining of sand, stones and limestone or their transportation. Thus, there being no provision for exemption for traditional mining of sand, stones, etc. under the MMDR Act 1957 or for their transportation, the state government could not exempt their operation without any quarry permit or lease being granted under the provisions of the aforesaid MMCR 2016 and procuring transport challan as prescribed under the rules, that is Form H. Under these rules, securing mining lease or quarry permit is a precondition for securing transport challan as per prescribed Form H of the rules. After MMMCR 2016, in the domain of mining and transporting minor minerals was promulgated, a further judgment was delivered by the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya dated 21st July 2017 through a division bench in writ appeal number 38 of 2017 in Foreign Trade Chamber of Commerce Meghalaya and others versus State of Meghalaya, along with writ appeal number 39 of 2017 in War Jangtia Limestone Boulders Stone Exporters and Miners versus State of Meghalaya. The Honorable High Court vied their aforesaid order while dismissing the prayer of the petitioners for transporting stone boulders and limestone without the state insisting on procurement of transport challan Form H under Rule 26 of the MMMCR 2016 rule that transport of minor minerals shall mandatorily be only on the strength of transport challan to be issued in accordance with Rule 26 of the MMMCR 2016. Further, the Honorable High Court in the judgment dated 21st July 2017, while setting aside the directions of the learned single judge in WPC number 3 of 2016, which had permitted traditional excavation and transportation of limestone and sandstone under the Act, rules and bylaws in the state of Meghalaya, had ruled as follows in the context of clear, unambiguous and emphatic pronouncement of the division bench and full bench of the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya. We do not wish to make any other comment in the matter, but in the given set of circumstances, with respect, deem it proper to observe that the order dated 27 January 2016, as passed by the learned single judge in WPC number 3 of 2016, is not good law and cannot be relied upon as a precedent. This is apart from the fact that the said decision by the learned single judge, even otherwise, now stands totally eclipsed with promulgation of the rules of 2016.
The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700-505-7728 8794 250646.